Mine paused ever so briefly. Bushi took advantage of the moment and brought her down with a shift punch. Now, for a moment, crucial moment, what happened? Yonamine took a pause. Till that moment, the Bushi coyote took a advantage. He shifted a punch with that Yonamine fault. Yonamine father was very happy man. Bushi and Yonamine were married in a splendid ceremony. Now, Yonamine's father got happy and he was feeling like a happy man in the world. And finally, Bushi and Yonamine got married and the ceremony was been in a splendid way. Means in a superb way. It was a happy marriage. Yonamine was kind and loving. She cooked and cleaned and kept the house spick and spoon. One day, when she was sweeping the kitchen, the Bushi saw her lift a huge bag of rice with her left hand. As she swept the bag with her right hand, he grew thoughtfully. Is she really so strong? And yet I brought her down with one punch. Now what happened? Here, they both were happy marriage life. So one day what happened means Yonamine was kind and loving girl. With that she used to cook and clean at the home. Everything she used to do by self without any help. One day what happened? She was sweeping the kitchen. So there was a bag full of rice. It was a heavy, huge bag. She holded it from one hand without any help of anyone, and she kept it, pulled up with the right hand by self only and kept it aside. So Bushi started thinking, really she is very strong girl, and in one shift punch I made her fall down. One day Yonamine announced that she would like to visit her parents. I will leave in the evening and return the next day in the time to cook your dinner, she said to her husband. Now one day what happened? Yonamine said to her husband that today she wants to go to her parents. She wants to visit her parents and she will come back till tomorrow evening before to cook a lunch for her husband. So today evening she will go and tomorrow evening she will come back. She announced like that to her husband. You really should not travel during the night, Bushi said to her firmly. There are bandits about. It is not safe for a woman to go out alone after it's dark. Now what happened? Her husband said, like all say, now it's at night time you should not go alone because it's not a good time to go alone at night. Bushi said so firmly, means nicely he said, because there are bandits. Bandits means robbers. So it is not safe for the women to go alone at the night like that, the Bushi said. My dear husband, you forgot that you are married a trained wrestler, Yonamine said to him with a smile. Now what happened here? She said, my dear husband, you forgot that you have married a wrestler. She can fight with anyone firmly without getting fear. With a smile she said to her husband. Don't forget that I threw you down flat on the ground, said Bushi. You are not unbeatable. Now hear what Bushi said. You also don't forget that with a one flat, I made you flat on the ground. So you are unbeatable, means you can't fight. Don't worry, said Yonamine Bennett. Now she said to husband, you don't worry about the Bennets, means about robbers, you don't worry, I will manage everything. I'm not so skilled as you are. I can take care of myself. Here she said, you don't worry about the robbers, I will take care of myself. You don't worry about it. Bushi was not pleased. She is overconfident. He thought to himself, she must be taught a lesson for her own goods. Now here, Bushi was not happy with Yonamine's answer. So what she said, she is having so much confidence and arrogant. So I must make her learn a lesson for her own good, not for me, but for her self good. I will make her learn a lesson. That evening, Yonaman left to walk to her father's home. As soon as he departed, Bushi disguised himself as a Bennett, wearing a shaggy clothes, wearing dark color over his hand and covering his face with a scarf. He ran as fast as he could to hide behind a clump of tree at the fork on the road. Now, what happened at that evening when Yonaman left to walk for the father home? That time, Bushi, what he did, he wore the cloth like a Bennett's, a dark shaggy clothes, a long full clothes like how robbers wear, and a mask on the face and gloves on a hand. Like that, he wore the clothes and masks and gloves, and he started running fast to hide back of the tree. Darkness fell and he saw Yonaman approaching the fork from where she could take a left turn to reach her father's house. When she crossed the clump of tree, Bushi jumped out from behind the tree and tried to attack her. Now she has to take a left turn to reach the father home. Before that, what happened? Bushi reached by running, and from back he jumped. That she to make her fear. So and to attack her. So he jumped from behind of the tree and tried to attack her. Yonaman was so swift and sharp in her action to attack. She held her attacker by the hand and kicked him with such a force that the attacker fell to the ground unconsciously, and Yonaman dragged him and tied him to the tree with her slash. She adjusted her backpack and set off round the corner of her father's home. Now what happened? Yonaman was also intelligent and smarter. Before the Bushi's attack, what she did, she only attacked the man so hardly that he fell unconsciously on the ground, and after that she dragged him and tied him on the tree with the backpack back of the father's home at the set round corner of the father's home. Next day, as she was returning home in the afternoon, she saw her Bennett. She tied to the tree as she left him the previous night. "Shall I untie you now or leave you here?" she asked him. Now what happened? Till next day, the Bushi was there only hanged. So she asked the Bennett, "Shall I leave you here like this only, or shall I untie you? Shall I open the rope which I have tied you?" "Please untie me," mumbled the Bennett. "I beg you to forgive me. I shan't ever do this again." Now what happened here? What Bushi said, "Please untie me. I will not do it again. And please forgive me. I beg you. And please leave me from here. I will not do this thing again." Swiftly she untied him and walked away quickly. She was in hurry. She has to reach. Now she untied him and walked away from there because she was in hurry, because she has to reach home before dinner, and she has to cook the dinner for husband. Home in time to cook her husband's evening meal. Little did she realize that she had just released her husband from his captivity. Now she reached home and she was cooking for her husband evening meal. Little she did relax that she has just released her husband from the captivity. Means she has only released her husband from the captivity. That evening, quite a while after she had set the dinner ready, Bushi walked in looking tired and dull. She helped him, washed and set out to fresh clothes for him to wear. She invited him to have a hot meal. Now what happened? Till that time Bushi reached home and he was quiet and he was looking tired and dull. So what Yonaman did, she she helped him to wash and made him to wear a fresh clothes and said him to wear this and invited her to have a hot meal as a dinner. As Bushi sat down to dinner, he brought out a white sash from his pocket and gave it to his wife. "This is yours, if I am not mistaken," he said, looking into her eyes. Now what happened? When he came to sit for the dinner, he brought a white sash from his pocket and gave to her and said, white sash means a long strip of cloth worn over one shoulder. Means to wear on the shoulder, people use a sack of clothes. It is known as sash. He brought it and gave to her wife. If I am not mistaken, this is yours, by looking on eyes. Oh, Bushi, was it you? I'm so sorry, explained Unamine. Now, what happened? She realized that that was not Bennett, it was Bushi only. So, finally, she said, Oh, Bushi, it was you. I'm sorry for my mistake. You don't have to be sorry, I said Bushi. Said Bushi. You taught me a lesson that I won't forget all my life, and that is don't underestimate anybody. Now here, even Bushi realized his mistake, that he should not ever underestimate anyone in life, especially women, because they can do anything. Not even a woman, asked Unamine playfully. So here she said, Unamine said, women are powerful and strongful. Especially not a woman, said Bushi. And they burst out laughing together. Finally, they started laughing togetherly with a lots of burst, with a lots of noise. And finally, here this lesson is ended. Actually, this lesson is about the wrestlers of Unamine, Chiru and Bushi Kayo. So this is the lesson about wrestlers. Thank you, class. Hope you all have understood this lesson very well.